Off to the gym we go. Part of my New Year's resolution for 2023 is to stay consistent in the gym. Now, as most of you know, I cook a lot, so therefore, yes, I do eat a lot. A couple of years back, I was at my goal weight. I was looking perfect. But nevertheless, I did gain some extra pounds, and I'm not really feeling it at this point. Also, working out definitely helps you not only physically, but emotionally as well. So let's get it. Once you continue to work out repetitiously or continue lifting these weights, it's going to feel like you're lifting 100 pounds. Talk about effective in so many different ways. Not only am I working out my abdominal muscles, but I'm also working out my arms as well. Talk about a 2-for-1 special. Once I was done, I decided to head on over to Hand and Stone for that massage, of course. Now, here's the thing. Surprisingly, whenever I work out, my body does not feel achy right away. But it does take maybe about 3 days for the body to process. And then that's when I kind of start to feel achy. I start to feel like the muscle soreness and all of that crazy stuff. But for now, we're going to do a deep tissue massage. I wanted to record a little bit more, but my massage therapist for the day, she didn't feel comfortable on camera. Yeah, so I couldn't do as much filming as I wanted to. The massage was great. It's time to get our lashes done. So I'm going to head on over to one of the places that I go to get my lashes done, Wonder Lash. Let me tell you, the girls at Wonder Lash, they're pretty good. This is my girl, Crystal. She's the one that usually does my lashes from time to time. They came out perfect. But nevertheless, I did take a hiatus, a break from getting my lashes done. You can wear different cosmetic things. However, from time to time, you have to let your natural, whatever it is, breathe a little. So I'm not going to continue doing my lashes. Once these lashes come off, I'm going to allow my natural lashes to breathe a little bit and continue to grow in full. Later on that day, I went to get my nails done. This is the old set, as you can see. They've grown out a lot, but lately I've really been into the French manicure. Not only does it look nice and classy, but when it grows out, you can't really tell, which is a good thing. But I decided to go for another French manicure style. This is the new look, and I am in love with my new nails. Maria definitely did her things. Thank you, Maria. I stopped off at Sephora just to see what they had, basically, and picked up a couple things. I picked up another Pat McGrath Sublime foundation. I really like that foundation. I'm actually preferring this foundation over my other foundations at this point. I decided to head on over to Goodwill because, yes, this is a self-care video, but sometimes giving back in certain ways can definitely give you gratification. So I decided to go down to my local Goodwill to give away some stuff. Now, this stuff, as you can see, 90% of it still has the tag on, simply because these are some items that I got from Fashion Nova that didn't fit, but it was too late to send it back, if that makes sense. And I was like, you know what? As I was purging my closet, I'm like, someone could definitely benefit from these clothes. So, yep, as you can see, like I said, most of them have the tag on. 99% of them has never been worn. And I know whoever gets these pieces, they're definitely going to be happy. After a long day of running around, it's time to head on over to my favorite spot, a place called Ivy Elements, because it's time to get revitalized, recharged, and rebooted. This will be my second time coming to Ivy Elements. Not only is the atmosphere really nice, but the nurses that work here are so friendly. After you leave here, you're guaranteed to feel like a brand new person. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-care video. Even though I spent most of the day outside doing things, I still feel a sense of reward, and that's all that matters. Self-care is everything. It's really important to take that time out to show yourself some love. A lot of times we tend to get bogged down with so many different things, whether it be work, personal life, maybe if we have kids, a significant other, family. But a lot of times our time is not dedicated and allocated towards us. It's always given elsewhere. And it tends to not only mess with you physically, but it could also mess with you emotionally and mentally as well. So it's really important to get that self-care regimen down pack where you take some time for yourself, even if it's to go to the spa, or even if it means spending some time in your favorite coffee shop by yourself. It's really important to take time for yourself in order to allow mental peace and allow your brain to function the way it's supposed to. There's nothing better than inner peace.